Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can connect Instagram to Messenger. So for that we have to basically go to our Messenger app over here, and once we are over here click on your profile icon and just scroll all the way down to account settings, and in account settings go to account center, and here you have to just click on setup account center, and once you click on it you will get over here your account which you like to add over here. You can just add another account over here which is not particularly over here by just writing a not to you, or you can just log in your Instagram account over here, and once you just log in over here your that particular account will be just added to your Messenger. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.